There's something satisfying about designing and decorating your home, but imagination only goes so far. Sometimes you need to see what the furniture and designs look like in your exact living space. Enter DecorMatters. Using cutting-edge AR technology, the DecorMatters app helps you visualize unlimited design inspirations by placing them directly in your room. Slide couches, throw pillows, rugs, and so much more right into place. Once you're done, publish your room for DecorMatters users to comment and like. Or you can share your room on another social platform like Facebook and Twitter. Searching for a new house and want to see if you can make it your ideal home? No problem. You can completely visualize what can be done with this space in 3D. Once you buy your house, you can use it to finalize your design ideas and nail down a home renovation budget and furniture list. Choose from a wide array of furniture and decorations from IKEA, West Elm, Wayfair, Crate & Barrel, and so many more. And if you think your room is truly unique, you can enter in the design contest for fun rewards. Download the free DecorMatters app in the App Store today.